Okay. What is displaying on the screen? Anyone please answer?
SI LOC or LOC.
Okay. ILOC and LOC, I have asked the questions. What is the difference between ILOC and LOC? No doubt, answer given by the Pooja and Sanjana Harsita may be correct. ILOC is used for indexing or selecting based on positions. That means based on position means in this way. What is the positions of index? And LOC search on the basis of index name. Only these two difference. And next, creating a series from a scalar and constant value. I have already done. Today, I am going to discuss about the creating a series with index of a string. That means text means in a index we use the elements in text. ठीक है, पता है कि string और text can be used as a index to the elements of series. Means कि string या text को हम लोग यूज कर सकते हैं इंडेक्स के रूप में. जो 0 1 1 2 3 4 है वो हम स्ट्रिंग टाइप भी रख सकते हैं. अदर वर्ड कि वी कैन से दैट इंडेक्स ऑफ ए सीरीज कैन बी स्ट्रिंग टाइप. हाउ टू इम्प्लीमेंट? ओके, पाइथन न्यू फाइल, import series maybe one text written welcome to DAV again index. ठीक है, इक्वल टू
सर आप जो प्रोग्राम लिख रहे हैं क्या आप वो शेयर किए हैं?
शेयर नहीं है.
ओके सर, नहीं वो मेरे पे शो नहीं कर रहा था तो मुझे लगा शायद आप शेयर किया और मुझे नहीं दिख रहा है.
मे भी हो सकता है नहीं दिख रहा होगा. दिख रहा है इंडेक्स. I have filled there are 4 index in a string. And next, print A. Now program displaying.
Yes, sir.
एक नया फोल्डर बनाओ. One is error, not S. A. Okay. You see the output, please. Data type is object. Pooja is the index. Rohit, Tushar, Saswat. These are the index. Just I have given in program. A pd dot series. Welcome to DAV. This is the value. And index. How many index? 1, 2, 3, 4. The same text repeated in all index. In this case, that means we can use the index in text also, not only number also. So, creating a series with index of a string text type. Next, creating a series with range and for loop. We can also create a series with range and for loop. This one, creating a series with range and for. Wow. You know about the range functions. That we have used range to display the index value as an integer, and this can be modified by displaying index value through a for loop. For loop means here is just be putting all the index. If we don't want to put the index one by one, that time we use the loop also. By displaying index values through the loop by iterating between the characters given along with in keyword using the range method for displaying the associated. Suppose that here import pandas as pd series range 1, 15, 3. You know about the what is the 1, 15 and 3? Anyone please clear? Case equal to pd dot series range 1, 15 and 3. What is this?
Sir, one is starting value है.
15 sir ending और 3 gap है.
शायद लास्ट वाला स्टेप वगैरह का कुछ.
X A equal to pd dot series. Next, range 1, 15, 3. Close the bracket, then you put the index. x for x in कहीं चलते हैं ABCD 1 4 7 in A, and then see the output. A PD dot series 3 is the increment. 3 is the increment on each step or decrement on each step. अब साउंड बंद कीजिए, जिनके बैक साउंड आ रहे हैं प्लीज. 3. So first value, starting value is the 1 and increment 3. So 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 3 7, 10, 13, and last value 13 plus 3 16. So only, and index x in ABCD. So x here is the index, and just we have used the loop for x in ABCD. So on each value get the index from here ABCD. If we want to exceed the range here, then error comes. What error comes? You see, length of the past value is 7 and index implies 5. That means here we increase the values but not increase the index. So 16, 3, 19, and again 2 values increase. So here you increase the index also. Then you take the output. Okay, it is clear now. It is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
That means in a series we can also use the range functions and looping iteration functions for loop. थर्ड है, तो दे आर फोर्थ. हम लोग फर्स्ट क्या सीखे? तो फर्स्ट हम लोग क्रिएट करना सीखे थे. कैसे? कि क्रिएटिंग ए सीरीज यूजिंग लिस्ट. क्रिएटिंग ए सीरीज यूजिंग लिस्ट. सिंपल हम लोग तरीका सीखे थे. देखो इसका भी इसी में सारे प्रोग्राम के यूज कर. हम लोग फर्स्ट जो ऑप्शन सीखे थे वो सिंपल तरीका था हमारा कि क्रिएटिंग ए सीरीज विथ लिस्ट. लिस्ट में मीन्स कि वहां पे हम वैल्यू पुट किए और वैल्यू पुट करने के बाद आपको लाइक दिस. सपोज दैट B equal to PD dot series, and you put the 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. This one is the list, and print and then you run. You take the output 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. This is the list. मीन्स क्रिएटिंग ए सीरीज यूजिंग लिस्ट, कि हम लोग सीरीज क्रिएट कर सकते हैं लिस्ट को यूज करके. सेकेंड ऑप्शन हमने यूज किया. अब इस सीरीज में और भी चीज बताए थे इसमें आपको इंडेक्सिंग करना, इसी में आप इंडेक्स करना चाहते हैं तो कॉमा इंडेक्स इक्वल टू इंडेक्स इक्वल टू, यहीं पे आप दे देते थे ए बी सी 4 वैल्यूज है 5 डी लिस्ट में है तो दोनों लिस्ट में करना होगा, इंडेक्स इन लिस्ट एंड देन यू रन here. A, B, C, D, 10 means there are 3 steps we have used. One step is using list, creating a series using list. Second one is the creating series with text, creating series with index of a string. Third, creating a series with range and for loop. Here, creating a series with range and for loop. Third, creating a series using 2 different lists. Maybe there are 2 different lists. That means you can create a series using 2 different lists. 2 lists are passed as argument to series. First of all, we see the program. Suppose that one is the month, months equal to make the list first, January, February, March, April, May, and then June, and July. July, this is the one another list. Second is number of days. One another list. Suppose that January is the 31 days, 28 days, 31 days, 30 days, 30 days, 31 days, 31 days, 2 to 7. Okay. Now we have 2 lists. How can we display? So you can make the series. Suppose that we take the value, maybe A equal to PD dot series bracket number of days, and then index equal to months, and then you close. A, here is the 2 list. Month is a list, number of days is a list, A is a series. Just I am creating the series with 2 different list. Month is list and number of days is list. So you can also create the series with different list. ठीक है? How can we create? So A equal to like this, pd dot series number of days dot index equal to month. That means here is the value and here is the index. Month is a index and this is the values of series, and then you print A. Okay, now I'm going to print run. What happened? NODAY to लिखे
सर नंबर ऑफ डेज में सर नंबर
अच्छा
क्लियर
सॉरी
नहीं है.
नहीं सॉरी यहाँ पे वी हैव पुट इन द डॉट नॉट डॉट इंडेक्स कॉमन कॉमन okay. Here is the January, February, March, April, May, June, July is the index and 31, 28 is the value. That means we can also create the list. That means we can create series with the help of list. Now we interchange. What is the output? Suppose that month is here, month is a value, and index number of days. What changes we can see? Okay, you compare. Here is the January, February, March, April, May, June, July. July is the index and value is the 31, 28, 31, 38, etc. But here is the interchange. 31, 28, 31 is the index and January, February, March, April, May, June, July is the value. How can possible? Just here we have interchange series. Here we have interchange month use in values sections and number of days used as index sections. So there is interchange the value. Clear or not?
हाँ सर.
Any student can please ask.
Yes, sir.
So means we can create a series using two different lists. The two lists are passed as an argument. Here is the argument. Month is the argument and index means number of days is the argument to series. Out of which the first list argument will be index and other one list will be the values. As observed from the output windows for practical implementations, जो हम लोगों ने practical implementations के तौर पे clear. Last है fifth, creating a series using missing values. NaN. इसको हम नाम करते हैं कि creating a series using missing values. How can we possible? So once again, this is the very important because different types of creating series. 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth options. So that import then we take D equal to D dot series in this 2.5 5.4 comma np dot nan none, ठीक है, कॉमा -34.5. Clear? And then you print here. You see the output, please. 0, 7.5, 1, 5.4, 2, NAN, none, and third is the 34.5. What is this? Like in certain situations, we need to create a series object for which size is defined, but some elements or data are missing. कि उस केस के लिए है कि साइज डिफाइंड है लेकिन कुछ डेटा इसमें से मिस कर रहा है. सपोज दैट 7.5 one element, third, fourth. This is handled by the none, not a number. This is a full form होता है not a number, none. This is a values, which attribute of NumPy library, and this can be achieved by defining a missing values using np.none. Means suppose that यहाँ पे क्यों यूज किए 7.5, 5.4, 1 value, 2 value, 3 value, 4 values. But here I don't know the value for these positions. I don't know the value for these positions. Size is defined. That means we want to create the series with 4 different values. But first value, second values known by the user, third values not known by the users, and fourth values known by the users. Then what values should be written on place of third? So that time we use the np.none. np.none. This is the NumPy. This is the NumPy values. NumPy library. In a NumPy library, none is a value for using to creating the series. That means here size is defined, but not. Maybe if you know, then you remove the none and you put the value. No problem. It is clear why I have given here. Suppose that I don't know the place second value. That time we use the np dot n capital A small and then n. None is here. Means only np dot none use instead of any values. किसी भी वैल्यूज की जगह पे आप np.none को यूज कर सकते हैं. दैट मीन्स कि सपोज दैट हेयर द स्टॉप एंड मे बी हेयर आई डोंट नो द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस प्लेस. दैट टाइम वी यूज द np.nan.
एन भी होगा सर, एन लिखने बस।
क्लियर?